Welcome viewers, you're watching NewsX and I'm Vaishali Kohli. Now the Bihar government has ordered a judicial inquiry into the police encounter in Bhojpur district in which Bharat Bhushan Tiwari was killed. Tiwari, a resident of Biloti village in the Shahpur police station area, was shot during a police operation. The announcement came after Bihar police suspended 4 policemen, including a station house officer, in connection with the Bhojpur incident. The action followed a perpetrated video in which an armed suspect was seen pointing a pistol at security personnel on the 16th of June, while the officers allegedly failed to respond promptly. Police has said they opened fire on Wednesday in self-defense and to ensure public safety, after Tiwari allegedly fired at officers during the operation in Biloti village. He died while being taken to Patna Medical College and Hospital for treatment. There were, however, differing accounts about Tiwari. The initial police statement on Tuesday described him as reportedly being mentally unsound, while others, including his family members, said he was a public activist who regularly raised local issues before the administration. In another purported video circulating on social media, Tiwari could be seen throwing away his weapon before the encounter. PTI could not independently verify the authenticity of the video. The police statement, meanwhile, said Tiwari kept firing at the police, leading to retaliatory firing in self-defense, during which he suffered a bullet injury in his leg. The government has now ordered a judicial probe, even as questions remain over the circumstances of the encounter and the police response. Rumi Mishra is joining me with the latest updates. Over to you, Rumi.
Yes, Vaishali, as you can see on our screens, Bharat Bhushan Tiwari was a youth from Bhojpur, Bihar, and he used to raise issues related to flood protection and relief for displaced villagers. In this video particularly, you can see he used to post such videos on social media, in fact, always standing up for people of his village. However, he reportedly later posted a video on social media and showed himself with firearms, demanding action and development in his village, following which police, of course, termed him as reportedly mentally unsound. What happened next in this case was, following this post, police visited Bharat Bhushan Tiwari's residence on the 16th of June and inquired regarding the viral video, especially considering the fact that he was brandishing a firearm in the video itself. And so the police was all set to use the Arms Act against Bharat Bhushan Tiwari. Tiwari allegedly pointed a pistol at the police and reiterated his demands to resolve issues. You can see this on this video itself. In his right arm is a firearm and stands opposite to him a police personnel. Bharat Bhushan Tiwari is asking them to leave the premises of his home, and his mother is standing in between the policeman and Bharat, asking them to calm the situation down. Bharat, however, seems to be very hell-bent on, in fact, standing against the police personnel and the officials in this case. Police, of course, returned back to his home on the 17th of June and surrounded his house for questioning. In fact, his family claims that police also, in fact, cut off the electricity at his home and locked him into his home to ensure that he does not run away. At this point, Tiwari went live on social media. This was a 2-day encounter that ensued after these incidents. He brandished his firearms. In this, in fact, this video has been taken out from his Facebook Live. He brandished his firearm at the police while engaging with them. The police is clearly seen standing opposite to Bharat Bhushan Tiwari. He moved towards an open area in the village. You can see the fields right here. Tense situations continued with the police following this. Now what happened next? He threw away the firearm. You see, we have circled it out for our viewers as well. He reportedly surrendered and he was assured that his demands would be conveyed to authorities and nothing would be happening to him. Soon after the surrender, though, he was shot by police. The Bhojpur police claim it was an operation-linked incident. However, now Bihar Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary has ordered a judicial probe into the case and also suspended 3 police officials after this incident. Yes, Vaishali.